2008 Cessna Citation Mustang, serial number 88. Don't miss this 2008 Citation Mustang, serial number 88, presented exclusively by Soul-Jets. The aircraft features the Garmin NXI upgrade, has fresh hot section inspections, and is fully enrolled in Power Advantage Plus and Pro Parts. This NXI upgraded Garmin G1000 Mustang is well equipped with synthetic vision, KTA 870 traffic, ADF, chart view, safe taxi, as well as ADS-B in and out. Serial number 88 includes a refreshed interior, including new carpet, steam cleaning of soft goods, and a fresh leather redye. The interior is completed with light beige leather seating for 4 passengers, accented with rich mahogany-colored trim throughout. This recently refreshed exterior features an overall Matterhorn white body with metallic blue and gray striping. The Citation Mustang jet delivers the speed and range of a jet while providing the efficiency of a much lighter aircraft. Contact us today to take advantage of this exciting opportunity. Soul-Jets. Freedom. Adventure. Delivered.